Hello scalper out there. I know that scalping is not easy, right? Neither it was for me. But do you know that I have changed my scalping results overnight after discovering some of the zone in the chart. When the price hit that zone, in almost 100% of the time you'll see a dramatic bounce. Today I'm gonna reveal those zone that when the price hit that area, you see almost most of the time there will have a bounce. Now as a scalper, once you know that, you can dramatically change your scalping like I did when I was continuously losing money in scalping. Now before I begin this rare scalping educational session, make sure guys you smash the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Without further delay, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the easiest way, simplest way you can understand it, and easy to implement. As soon as you will finish this video, you can implement in your scalping strategy. So make sure that you stick till the end to understand exactly what I'm going to present today. Now first of all, what we will be looking at a doji on the daily time frame or higher time frame. So what do I mean by this, a doji on the daily or higher time frame? Let's say when you see a narrow doji like that, a doji on the daily, let's say if you look at daily time frame like that, okay? Now when you see a movement in the market and in the middle there is a doji like this, exactly like this, a narrow doji, or maybe a little bit of bigger body, that's fine, but not too much big. The narrower the better. When you see a narrow doji on the daily time frame, when next time, like the immediate next time, the price come to that tummy of this doji, you will see a strong bounce from this doji, no matter which direction the price is coming from. For example, if you see that doji, this doji on the daily, okay, there is a movement like that on the daily, a green movement, let's say, and then there is a doji in the middle. Okay, now at some point when first time the price will come to that tummy of the doji from the top, you will see a drastic bounce on the lower time frame. It could be in 1 minute or 5 minutes, you could see a huge bounce. Now as a scalper, this is an incredible advantage that you can find in your trading. I'll show you in the real chart, but first let me explain. Now why am I considering on the daily? You can find the same philosophy on other time frame also, such as on the weekly, monthly, or on the 4-hour, but daily is mostly reliable because it's not too high, it's not too low. As a scalper, when you look at daily, you can jump onto 5 minutes, 1 minute's time frame to find incredible trading opportunity. Now let me show you on the chart what do I mean by this. Now look at this one guys on euro dollar, okay, on the daily time frame. See this price action. Let me replay this chart, then you will understand exactly what I mean. Now see, this is the daily time frame and there is a narrow doji in this movement, right? Now once this doji has formed, next what happened? Let's replay one by one, then you'll understand. So you saw the price has broken down. Now what we will do here, we'll draw a level on that tummy of the doji. So we are talking about this doji here, okay? Now once we have drawn a level, now we saw that immediately the prices drop. Now what we will be waiting for the price to come and hit that level. Once the price will hit that level on the 1 minute or 5 minutes, you will find incredibly powerful trading opportunity. Okay, so let's see what happened. Now this is the daily chart. Let's jump on to even 5 minutes time frame. Okay, now this is the 5 minutes time frame. As you know that this is the the level that we have seen the price has dropped from this level. Now this level, incredibly powerful level, as you know that this is the line where there is the tummy of the daily doji. Let's find out what's happening when the price is hitting this level. Let's replay the chart. Okay guys, so as you can see that just now we have seen that in 5 minutes time frame, this is the level that the doji's tummy on the daily time frame. The price just hit that level, and as you can see, primarily already we have seen a big bounce. As soon as the price hit that level, we have seen around 55 pip bounce in the first place. So let's keep replaying the chart. In fact, how much bounce we can see from this level. If you keep replaying the chart, we see that there has been in fact an incredibly powerful bounce. As you can see, if you take this trade as a scalper, can you imagine how much profit you can make from this trade? Incredibly powerful, guys. As I told you that this information you will not find anywhere, as these are the real chart, real live market information, and I want to give it for free just to help you as a trader. Now let me show you a couple of more examples, and then we'll jump on to another zone that you can find incredibly powerful as a scalper. Okay guys, so same analogy, same strategy, let's apply here on gold. Now this is also the daily chart. Now as you can see, gold, if you closely look at, you'll see that in fact has formed this narrow doji in this big uptrending move. Now after this narrow doji on the daily, we have seen there has been another daily move. So what we'll do, we'll draw a level on the tummy of the doji, exactly the way we do. Now we'll jump onto the lower time frame, such as on the 15 minutes or even lower time frame, let's say 5 minutes, and we'll do the same thing. We'll replay the chart to see, in fact, this is the level that we have drawn, and we know that there is a powerful doji in the movement, and once the price will hit that level, there will definitely, in most of the case, there will have a bounce, and that is the advantage that we will be taking in this market. So we see that, as you can see, the price is approaching that level, and exactly the price has, you can see that, has penetrated that level, now closing above. Now let's see what happened. Now as you can see, creating a double bottom formation from that doji zone on the daily. Now the price is picking up, incredibly powerful. Now can you see that how much bounce it has had? This is the gold, guys, and you can see that it is the most powerful tools or strategy you can use as a trader. Now you can see from this zone, what is the almost 1250 points so far, and it is likely to go up further, bounce from this doji area. Now you can apply the same strategy on the 4-hour, but better to use on the daily for a very high probability trade setup. Now look at this one, guys, on GBP JPY. The same way we will be applying here. As you can see, this is the daily chart, and we see that a narrow doji on the daily time frame has been formed. The next thing for us is to wait for the price to go ahead, either up or down from this zone, and then come back again, and then we'll see that there will have an incredible bounce from this level. Now let's draw first the zone. Always we will cover the body of the doji. If it is a little bit, then we will keep it as an open zone, so that you know exactly where is the up and opening and closing of this doji. Now the next thing, we'll jump onto the slowly lower time frame, 4-hour, 1-hour, and then going to the 5 minutes time frame. Now we'll replay the chart to see when the price will come back, how it is reacting to this level, what kind of price action we have. Now we see the price has broken this level to the upside. Now we will be wait for the price to come back to the same level and to see in fact how it is doing. Okay, now we see that, as you can see, the price just has broken the low of this doji's zone. Now this is the opening and closing of this doji area. This is the zone. Now what we have seen that the price has broken that level, created an overextend. Why we didn't take this trade here? As you can see, it didn't fully test. So when you see a doji zone where there is a gap, you need to wait for the price to break fully, create an overextended, and then we can consider that this is a valid entry point. And then from here we see that there's an incredible bounce. Now if you closely look at, this is a powerful bounce, guys, and once you take this trade, you can imagine how much profit you can make from this trade. This is a huge trade. I sincerely believe that this incredible scalping video lesson or strategy was really helpful to you. This information, this piece of information can dramatically change your scalping once you understand it. If you find value in it, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also check out other videos in this channel that will be really helpful for you in your trading. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next video.